So yes, as you guys can see here, we have the S22 Ultra. This is in burgundy, and this is my favorite color. Okay, I looked at all the colors. I looked at green, I looked at white, I looked at black. But when I saw burgundy, I told myself that was the one I wanted to go with. So I'm not gonna waste your guys' time. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this thing. So this is actually coming in a smaller package that they basically started with previously with the S21 and not having a charger inside of this box. So everything is smaller, kind of minimal or whatnot. If you do need a charger, I have one linked down in the comment section below. And I have a previous video that you guys can watch on where you can get that charger for pretty cheap. So pretty much you got two pieces of tape here that you just got to cut through. And if we go ahead and take that off right there, we are greeted with the S22 Ultra. Now, this color is dope. Look at this color. I don't know if you guys can see it all that well, but I love this color. Okay, I saw this color in person when I was at Best Buy, and if you guys can see the side camera angle right here, yeah, I love this color. This color to me is perfect. Okay, I know some people say it looks pink or whatever. Nah, this looks burgundy, y'all. This 100% looks burgundy, and I'm totally loving it. So, first impressions, feels nice, feels really good, feels really great. However, it does feel really kind of slippery a little bit. Now, the back has this really good kind of matte finish to it, and it's not as slippery as phones of the past, but it still feels pretty slippery in my hands or whatnot. So I will definitely be putting a case on here. And we got this front little screen there, and we're gonna take off, and bam, this is dope. This is really dope, and I'm going to show you guys a size comparison. If we can go ahead, and I'm going to take this case off of here so we can see the size comparison to the 13 Pro Max. So here is what we're looking at between the 13 Pro Max and the S22 Ultra. And if we look down here, as you guys can see, here is the size comparison. And I apologize for the lighting. It's a little challenging here, but this is dope. I am really, really enjoying this. And yes, I am going to be using this along with this and giving you guys my honest opinion of both. But these are two nice big phones. I love big phones. I'm totally into them. And that's my jam. So we're going to take these. We're going to put those right there. And what else do you get in the box? You get a little package here. And you get a USB-C to USB-C cable. I don't know what the rating is on this as far as the data transfer, but hopefully it should be, kind of up there. Or it might just be a charging cable. You get your booklets, your little quick start guide, and all that stuff. I don't know if any of you guys read this stuff anymore. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys even use a quick start guide. What else we got in here? Also, we got this in Spanish, and we also have, it looks like this was the thing that held the cable or whatnot. So yeah, that's pretty much it. As you guys can see inside there, that's all you got going on. Also, you get your SIM ejector tool, and I'm going to be using that later when I use my SIM inside this phone. And if I can get this off here without looking like I'm crazy, just your regular old SIM tool key. And that's it. That is pretty much it for the entire box and the unboxing itself, because Samsung, they just don't give you that much stuff anymore. I remember the old days when they used to give you everything. Now you got to buy everything separately. So I'm trying to power it on just to see how this is all going to look here. And as you guys can see, we got our nice little Samsung logo. We'll hold it up here for the main camera. And It's been about almost 4 years since I've used a real note type of phone, at least something with an S Pen in it. And if we click that button here, we got the S Pen, and this is basically just to show you the S Pen with the phone itself. And here's also a size comparison. If you guys have a 13 Pro Max, you can see how big the S Pen is in comparison to the 13 Pro Max. And to be honest, I know some people talk about, well, hey, this isn't a full S Pen, this is a tiny S Pen. I kind of like it. Like, I can actually work with this. Now, I know some people when they write, they either like write like this or they write like that or whatnot, and I might, you might need a bigger pencil for that. But for me, with the way I write, I kind of just use my fingers like this and write like that. So that is a good size. I'm totally cool with that. And also, can you put this thing in backwards? Yeah, so it looks like you can put the S Pen in anyway. So I know some of y'all looking at me like, oh my God, he's such a noob. Like, how does he not know this? Because I haven't used this phone or a phone like this in a couple of years. So, and when you put the S Pen inside of the phone, one thing I noticed is that you get a nice little vibration that lets you know that you got the phone that you got the S Pen all the way in there. So yeah, that feels pretty dope. So on the bottom, no headphone jack. Absolutely no headphone jack whatsoever. Now, I always find it funny that you can have an entire S Pen, but they wanted to kill off the headphone jack to sell headphones or whatever. So that's always kind of fun and interesting that they wanted to do that. So I'm actually going to go ahead and get this all the way set up, and probably let's talk about the first impressions more in another video. As far as the unboxing experience, great color, definitely love how this looks, and I really want to completely test drive everything before I really get into all of the first impressions. So if I mentioned that in the first part of the video, I'm sorry. This is 100% off the top of the head. This is not scripted. These are my actual reactions to the phone, and I'm loving it. Like, this is a pretty, really, really nice phone. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Are you picking up an S22 Ultra? Are you picking up an S22 Plus or S22? Also, let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see from me as far as videos. Do you want to see accessories? Do you want to see a bunch of camera tests with this phone? Do you just let me know, and we can go ahead and work on it. So, all right, y'all. About to get out of here once again. Side by side comparison.
Turn on accessibility mode. Turn on accessibility mode. Continue holding the screen with 2 fingers until you hear a beep.
Okay, so there's an accessibility mode that you can use with this as well. So, all right, y'all. About to get out of here. Y'all take it easy. Peace.